This to me gives like I just got a blowout at the salon. This is my natural hair. She's so cute. Hey loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mel if you're new here, and we are doing a wig review with Love Me Hair because I had to get my hands on another one of these All Day Comfort units. These are my favorite units, okay? And I'm feeling a shorter hairstyle for the summertime. This, like I said, it's giving my natural hair. It's giving blowout. One thing that I love about Love Me is the unit is going to come with bleached knots. Now, it may not be perfect, but the knots are definitely bleached. Here is my favorite cap construction with this All Day Comfort. Very noticeable. It has a breathable cap, and that is my favorite part about it. The band at the back has that silicone grip, minimal combs for added comfort, and this one actually doesn't have a full lace section. It just kind of has it over the parting area, which is fine with me. I want to quickly show you the difference between the original units from Love Me Hair and the All Day Comfort. This cap is clearly thinner, it's clearly more breathable, and my favorite part at the back is it has this adjustable closure kind of band, almost like imagine what your bra strap has, and it allows you to select a small, medium, or large head circumference. You want it to be snug and you want it to be fitted because there are minimal combs in this unit, so the tighter that it is, the better that it'll stay on, but also the better that it's going to be in terms of laying flat, because this is a glueless unit. It's a closure unit. You're not going to have to really do much. Now, I always go in with my even lace tint. I give it an even layer on the inner portion just to make sure that, any color is going to match perfectly with my skin tone. So my color in the even lace tint is light warm brown, I believe. Anyway, here's the unit on. Looks so good out of the box. A lot of these pre-done units, they say that they're ready to wear, but Love Me truly is ready to wear, at least in my experience, especially with the All Day Comfort units. I have two of these, and both of them have been absolutely gorgeous. But this length is giving spring, it's giving summer, and I'm really in love with it. I mean, for just taking it out of the box and plopping it on my head, this is looking really good thus far. This is a full density unit, and I love how thick it is. You can see that that extra density really does make a nice difference. And the curl that this comes with is gorgeous. It's bouncy, very voluminous, almost like an old Hollywood style. So I always take a little bit of Got To Be, and I like to lay down my units. You don't have to do this, of course. It looks great without, but I'm notorious for brushing my hair very aggressively, and I just want it to be extra secure. So the Got To Be really helps with that, and I do feel like it melts the lace down just a little bit more. This is like something you can do with 5 minutes of your time, so it's totally optional, but I like the way it looks and feels. This is a 200% density 18-inch wig, and I am loving how beautiful it looks at the front here. Now I'm pointing out two areas that are not my favorite. A little bit at the sides there where the lace and the closure meet, you can see that sometimes that area tends to not lay down as much as I want it to, or almost lift. So you can either hide that with some baby hairs, you can glue it and do the spritz like what I'm doing, or you can just push your hair down at that side. I do find that when you do a closure wig, this is just very common. So if you want to avoid this, do a full lace front or just bear with it and glue it down. Honestly, once I put my band on, you're not going to see it. But honestly, truly, where is the lace? Because this is looking so good. And this unit, I can't even tell you how much that I want to do the Legos hairline on this. I feel like it would really look so good. So anyway, I'm going to use my hot comb. We're going to press this down. This always makes that extra little difference because we want it to be flat, flat. And once this is done, I'm going to reveal the final look with the band. But I'm really feeling this unit, you guys. The All Day Comfort wigs are my favorite. I need a straight one now. Definitely need one. Wow, I am obsessed with this bob. This is like a long bob. It's not like, super short chin length. I think it's the perfect length for a natural look, natural everyday hair. I personally would love to have maybe even just like a little bit shorter, but I think for that you want to do a straight look. But this is very like spring, like feminine, beautiful. I just woke up and like threw a little curl in my hair and I'm out the door. So I think it's super cute. I really love how natural Love Me Hair has been creating these units, these just like throw and go, all done. They're so life-changing. And what I like about this one is the comfort fit is unreal. Like, I'm so uncomfortable in wigs. I have to be honest. A lot of the times when I do my hair, the first thing I'm looking forward to at the end of the day is taking the wig off my head. But ever since I started wearing these All Day Comfort wigs from Love Me, I've been able to really just enjoy how my hair looks and not have to think about like ripping my hair off my head. I even mentioned in the last video that like my mom is obsessed with these wigs now too. Like, she loves them and she's so bad, like she will sleep in her hair. So I thought it would be fun to put this wig to the test and actually see how it feels all day while I'm wearing it, since it is meant to be all day comfortable. So I'm going to take you along with me throughout my day and just show you how the wig's looking, how it's feeling, give you some updates, and you'll get to see it in different lighting, which I think could be helpful. I personally feel like Love Me's lace is really nice. Like, it tints well. It's really, like, there's no color to it. It's not too thick. It's actually quite thin and pretty transparent looking. I don't feel like any hair company or any hair product is going to be perfect, but I will say Love Me has been really consistent with their units. I've really enjoyed every one that I've gotten recently, and this new style is definitely my favorite. Okay, moment of truth. Let's take the band off. I'm always nervous about this because it's like, what if it doesn't look good? Oh, she looks amazing. Like, getting rid of these little flyaways helps it to look more natural. You can't tell me that's not my hair. That looks so good. So this is the part that I feel like can get a little bit bulky. So I like to either just like put some hair down over it, kind of like baby hairs. In this case, actually the lace melt blended that in really well. And then of course, because it's a closure wig, we leave out a little bit at the sides just to kind of help that blend. But I mean, I can just run my fingers through this like it's mine. This looks so good. I love her. This to me gives like, I just got a blowout at the salon. This is my natural hair. She's so cute. I think this was the easiest and honestly probably best like melt install that I've done, and it was so incredibly easy. Something that I kind of never do, or I forget to a lot of the time, is to add some layers. So I'm gonna do that this time because I feel like when I don't, the wig can be a little too heavy in certain areas, and I personally think that face framing layers really like finish the look with a wig. I feel like you can't see the outfit properly, but it really like, it goes with this hair. I feel like it's so cute together. Well, I'm loving how I look today. This wig made it so much easier rather than having to worry about fussing with my hair, and I'm ready to go. So let's go and enjoy my day together, and we'll check in and see how the hair is. Okay, so first thing I did was I had a kind of like an ad to shoot for a brand that I'm working with. This is a jewelry company that I really love. So I was just shooting that, and the hair looks so good. It was like perfect with the outfit. I did a few errands and I came home, and then I also had to shoot some content about these eyelashes that I'm wearing. So that's what I was doing here. And my hair looked and felt great the entire time. When I was kind of ready for the end of the day, I decided to make like a few cookies because I had a sweet tooth, and still the hair is looking absolutely amazing. It's looking so natural. You guys can see like different lighting. I feel like it looks so flattering still. My favorite part about it is just how natural the hairline looks. I have a discount code for this unit, and I'll leave all the specs and links in the description bar, so make sure you check that out. I want to give a huge thank you to Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video today. And regardless that it's sponsored, you guys, this is a very honest review. I genuinely love this particular unit. I have a lot of videos about Love Me and other brands on my channel, and I even did a special test to make sure that their hair is legit. So I'll link some other videos to check out down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like if you did.